What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today we're going to put to the test 10 kitchen gadgets I found on Amazon. Let's see what I got this time. Weirdest can opener, let's check this out. Sharp edge right here, a sharp edge right here, and a hook. So I think first thing we do is push it through this way, kind of get it going, then flip it over and lift it up, slide it all the way in, and then just go like this sideways. That is so cool. At first I didn't know how to use it. Now I figured it out. This is actually genius. I was gonna say very easy, but it needs some fixing. At some point it worked really well, but it's in better days. Pretty cool though, very unique. Boom, and then open it all the way. Pizza pole, electric pizza cutter. So it is rolls and then it kicks. Alright, let's start. Okay, let's start again. Yeah, it is cut. It is just kinda stuck to the bottom of this thing. Without it, it works good, but it is much easier to use it whenever it actually vibrates. There you go, look at that, it comes out so easy. It is powerful, I love it. And when we're done, just press this, remove it and wash it. That is cool. All the pieces, I was gonna say cut all the way, but yeah, all of the pieces cut all the way, pretty much. Here is a really cool ice maker cup. Just fill it up with water, boom, and then you close it back up. Let's see if it's too much. Too much, no big deal, because we can spill it, and in fact it will squirt some out right here. So if it's too much, obviously do that in the sink. Okay, it's been in the freezer for a little bit. Now open it up, boom, this will come out, perfect. And then this is going to be satisfying, all the ice in there. Oh man, this is so cool. So we crack it open and all of the ice will fall in there. Just go around and look, it's filling up so fast. Just one at a time, boom, coming off. So good. And we have ice in a cup. How cool is that? All of it already came out. That is so cool. That's a lot of ice. There's more. Now that I emptied that out, some of it, squish it some more. Couple of cups of ice for sure. Got it here, unique can opener with the roller right here. Again, put it in the middle approximately, doesn't have to be perfect. Push it all the way through, and looks like already pre-adjusted. It's pretty much on the maximum. And look at that, the actual rolling part is rolling. That's pretty cool. Oh, you know what, I should have tightened it up right here. All the way down. Now it's not gonna move. Oh yeah, now it's easier, and it's rolling for me and going through. That is cool. Wow, that's nice. And with the bigger can, just find the middle, push it through all the way down, just with the leverage go through, and look at that, it is rolling. The roller actually rolling, and we're going all the way through. Trying to do it so you guys can see. The blade could have been sharper. It is just really old. All the way down, remove it. Very unique. So that spinning action definitely helps. And while we're at it, let's do another one. This one is adjustable, very unique one. You just push it through and then unspin it where you need to go, all the way down. All you do is unspin the entire handle and it will adjust. I spin it all the way down, and now it's preset for that kind of can, so I don't have to adjust it as much. And then just with leverage going in and out. Maybe I didn't adjust it good enough. Maybe I should do a little bit deeper over here. There you go. I just didn't adjust it the correct way. And then just roll it through. So you want to go as deep as possible, because that will happen. Kind of works, kind of not. I just realized this is overcomplicated gadget I ever seen. So you press this and slide it over and open it. Inside there, very sharp razor blade, so gotta be very careful. Then push this through remove the garlic, comes out here. Then we need to put garlic inside here. Let's see how many big cloves can it hold. Looks like 2 or 3, maybe one more little one. Whoops. Oh, not that one. This side up, lock it back in. Okay, and then all we have to do is just press it, and I guess it's going to cut our garlic into tiny little cubes. There you go, keep going. I feel like I put way more garlic than that. Okay, let's check on it. Oh wow, it did use up all of it. Couple more. And then it's totally cutting it. Cleaning is going to be kind of a pain, but there you go, chopped up into tiny little cubes. Like if you need perfect cubes, that's probably the best garlic cuber. Here's the boiled egg peeler. Let's see what it's all about. There's the water line. We're gonna put it all the way to the water line. On the box they had 4 eggs. Let's do 4 eggs. And close it. Is it closed? I think so. Okay, and then shake it. Doesn't look like it's working that well. At least a couple of eggs exploded. So yeah, I mean, it looks like it wants to work with some of them, but some of them kind of turn into mush. Let's see if we can just simply just crack it, roll it, and peel it. Yeah, it might be a bit easier to just do that. Let's see if we could just crack it, roll it, and just peel it open. That might be a bit easier than this kitchen gadgets. Here's an onion chopper. Let's see if it's any good. Then we'll cut the onion in half. 1 onion first, and then line it up, and then boom, and wow, all of the onion into tiny little cubes. I feel like I can go this way, and then once I push it all the way through. That's the easiest. Ice cream sandwich maker. Let's see how it works. So we need a couple of cookies. Get the cookie, put it this way, and then push it all the way down, and then crush it. Boom, you have right here perfect cookie in here. Lift it up, then as thick as you want. You got yourself the ice cream and push it. You can even kind of like grab it down as much as you want, doesn't have to be a lot. And then grab another cookie, now face down or top down, and then crush it one more time, and now it will squeeze in all the ice cream. Good. And then just twist it out. Boom. And like I said, it could be thicker, it could be a thinner, whatever, and it looks like a little star ice cream. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.